Alright, so very exciting news. We got here the MacBook Air, the new one with the M1 chip, silicon chip, or whatever you want to call it. I'm not all the way into that kind of stuff. So this is just the base model with the 8 gigs of RAM and the 256 gigs of memory. So let's unbox it together. I'm very curious, as you may or may not know. I think my subscribers know that I was looking for a 4K editing device. So this might be it, guys. This might be it. Ooh. Am I recording? Yes. Ooh la la. Alright, let's put this aside. Dun 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 dun. MacBook Air. Nice. It smells so fresh as well, man. Fresh and so clean. Ooh, look at this. It looks so fancy as always. Alright, what do we got here? We got here the charging cables. Alright. The adapter and things, and the usual suspects. Alright, so nothing very interesting there. Working on my triceps there. Let's put that aside. And let's do the first initial startup. Bam. Right. Looks really good, guys. This is actually day 2. Yesterday I did the unboxing, and then I did this migration stuff, migration assistant, so then it will transfer files from your old computer to your new computer. So that took some time. Now that's done. I've updated what needs to be updated, and now we're gonna check together how it actually works. So let's start off Davinci Resolve. So this is the beta version 17.01 or 17.1 version that is somewhat optimized for the new MacBooks or the M1 chips, right? So let's start that off, and let's see what we got here. I hope you can see it because the reflection is crazy. And as you see, I also have it connected to my Apple Cinema display. So let's take a little clip from something, right? For instance, what should we get here? Maybe this. Alright, so this is a real-time video. This is here. I don't know what this is. Alright, here I was unboxing an Xbox Series S. So let's put in a little lot, and then we're actually quite good to go. As you see, it just flows through it very quickly without no hiccups whatsoever. Let's put in a little title in here somewhere in the middle. Alright. Keep in mind, guys, this is not fully optimized, right? So let's play it. And
I actually was surprised that I got it, to be honest.
As you see there, it stutters when the graphics is coming. Let's play it again.
I actually was surprised that I got it.
Right.
To be honest.
So it's a little bit choppy when that's coming.
I actually was surprised that I got it, to be honest.
But as you see here, I'm not sure if you can see it, there's a little piece that is red. Now the red is gone, and now it should be fully like playable.
I actually was surprised that I got it, to be honest.
Not quite.
Because on the
All right.
website,
Anyways, this is 2 minutes and 23 seconds. So let's like quickly put it somewhere. All right, let's give it a test. Gonna do it on. Gonna edit or render it in 4K. At the usual, render it. So a 2 minute and 23 seconds clip. How long does it take in Davinci Resolve to render it? This is a 4K 25 frames per second clip, shot in HLG, by the way, the color mode or whatever you want to call it, picture profile. So that's that. I'm gonna wait a little bit and then we'll see. Alright, it's almost done. It's now done and it took 2 minutes and 11 seconds. Alright, so faster than real time. That's good. Let's put that away and see how Lightroom is going. I'm not sure if Lightroom has any new updates actually. So let's check that out. Alright. Let's make this larger. Right, just quickly let me check this, how fast it goes. Alright, seems to be working properly, seems to be working quite fine, quite quick. Let's jump to different photo. Okay, let's do it again. Alright. So how fast is it when you export this large export file, and how fast is it? Alright, it's quite fast. This is a raw file. How large is this? This is a 49.21 megabytes. Megabytes? What is it? I'm not even sure, man. And it took like a couple of seconds. Alright, so that's cool. So as you saw, Lightroom and Davinci Resolve, it actually works pretty well. I think Davinci Resolve needs some extra work for it to like fully be optimized in order to work properly also with the graphics, or maybe the like putting extra graphics is not fully optimized yet, you know what I mean. So, and anyways, as you see here, just going into Chrome and stuff like that, you can just pretty much do anything with it. It's kind of slow, by the way. My internet connection is quite slow because I'm actually downloading a lot of stuff right now for my Xbox Series S. A lot of games, so the whole internet is kind of slow today, right now in my place. Other than that, you can pretty much do anything. So that was my own main thing that I needed to test out: Davinci Resolve and Lightroom, and that's all I need. My old computer, what you see right there, that is the 13-inch MacBook Pro, a base model as well, that just is very slow. It's great for like surfing on the internet, and Lightroom, it works perfectly fine, but if you want to do like 4K video edits, instead of that 2 minute, it will take around 10 minutes. And it's like a weird, like a very slow and long process. So here, just typing things and type here things, works perfectly fine without no issues. So far, first impression works quite well. It needs some work, as you see, it's not really ready yet, if you know what I mean. So I'm waiting for it to be fully optimized, all the apps that I need, all the stuff that I need. But for light work, it's really good, and I'm really curious what the future will bring for this new M1 chips and new apps and stuff. Also, what I really like is that you can literally just unplug the battery or the power net adapter, and then it will just work fine. It works perfectly fine, silent. It gets warm a little bit, not hot, and the battery is just really great as well. Like 5-6 hours you can just go with this setup, connected to the display and everything, connected to a lot of things. It just works. and that's good. That's a real great pleasure to work with it. But as I mentioned, you know, I'm still waiting for more apps to be optimized. And then when things are done, this is really a great computer. Alright, that's all guys. Thank you again for watching. Stay safe and stay healthy. See you in the next one.